Hello friends, I'm going to talk about nested if statement used in Arduino programming. A nested if statement is an if statement that executes in another if statement. That means Arduino programming allows us to place an if statement inside another if statement. To help us understand this concept better, we'll use a flow diagram of nested if statement, and in the last part of this video we'll go through one example in Arduino. Let's assume we want to turn on the fan when room temperature rises above 30 degrees for at least 5 minutes. The temperature sensor measures the room temperature, and if temperature is above 30 degrees, then it checks for the consecutive total time temperature remained above 30 degrees. Anyway, if temperature is below or equal to 30 degrees, then the conditional code inside if statement and nested if statement will not get executed. If temperature is raised above 30 degrees for 5 minutes, in that case, conditional code for nested if statement is executed and fan gets turned on. Otherwise, conditional code outside the nested if statement will not get executed. Now we write a software to blink LED with nested if statement and conditional code. In the setup function, we set the direction of pin 8 and pin 9 to output. These are the two pins where I want to connect two LEDs that will blink according to the nested if conditional code. In loop function, we write our main code that runs forever. I'm going to declare LED timer as a static variable to increment it and use its value to turn on or off the LEDs. We start writing outer if statement and compare LED timer with 50,000 loop function cycles. If this statement gets true, then the second step would be to write a nested if statement. In this nested if statement, LED timer would be checked again, and also if LED connected to pin 8 is switched off. If nested if condition is true, then the LED connected to pin 8 gets turned on. I'm going to introduce second nested if statement for second LED that checks LED timer with 100,000 loop function cycles and verifies if LED connected to pin 9 is turned off. When nested if condition is true, then the LED connected to pin 9 gets turned on. At this part of software, I'm going to set LED timer to 0 so that it can again starting turn on LEDs when they are getting switched off after a delay of 1000 milliseconds. To blink LEDs repeatedly, it is very important to turn off both LEDs when LED timer is 0. To do that, just set pin 8 and pin 9 output state to low. Program is ready to blink LEDs connected to pin 8 and pin 9. Now compile the software, and after successful compilation, upload the software to the Arduino. We see that LEDs are getting turned on and off. Green LED is turned on when loop function completes 50,000 cycles, and red LED gets turned on when the loop function completes 100,000 cycles. After both LEDs are turned on, there is a delay of 1000 milliseconds, and after that delay, LEDs get turned off with resetting LED timer. That is all I wanted to cover today. I hope you have learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel because a lot of fun things are coming next. Till then, take care.